G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider out for a ride today. It's been a while since I've had a video out. Hasn't been a lot of riding going on. My back has been giving me hell lately. So yeah, I'm trying to get on top of that. So I'm just doing some short rides, getting back into it again. Anyway, I'm out in this not very pretty logging area today. There is a cool track that goes up through here though. I'll see if I can get through today. I was out here last week. Wasn't sure where the track went, so I turned around. Yeah, it was a bit wet and miserable last weekend, and my audio didn't turn out, so there was no video from that ride. How's that for a toilet? Yes, I've been doing a bit of work on the bike. I'm trying to fit a 21-inch front wheel. I wanted to put it on just with the standard V-Strom forks to start with, and then do a complete front end swap, but I don't know. I might just go all in, just do the whole swap. I just bought some triple clamps last night. I've got a wheel, axle and triple clamps now, I just need the forks. Got an oversized disc on the wheel. Anyway, let's get riding. She's pretty rough. I still don't have any crash bars on the bike. I haven't done anything about that yet. Righto, concentrating. Starting to get a bit more serious now. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, I don't know what happened there. That looks pretty nasty. Oh, I stopped at the wrong spot there, didn't I? The dust is catching up to me. Gotta get up on my feet and moving real quick. Not like that. Not like that. Bloody hell. I'd really like to go back and have another crack at that because I'm in a bad spot. So I'm nearly there. It's not that hard. I just fucking took that wrong. See if we can start. It doesn't look that bad. I'm having some troubles. I'm going to have to try and turn back. Bloody hell. See if we can work this front around. We're pointing in the right direction anyway. Alrighty, let's go. Righto, that can be breath back a bit. Had a nice view here anyway. Yeah, I didn't think it was that steep, but very loose. That's rear Shinko, just about had it. Haven't had it that long. I did buy it second hand. Righto, I think I'll just roll down to this next pit. Bottomed out a little. Rightio, back down. Tail between my legs. Oh, far out. Hit that bashplate hard that time. Anyway, let's go see what this track's like. Good start. We can get around that. Yep. I've actually got a saw with me now. I started carrying a folding saw and I haven't had to use it yet. I hope it stays that way too. Oh. Righto, let's get moving a bit. Putting along. Yeah, hopefully I can get through here alright. I got through, that was a month or so ago with Harold. It was a lot wetter then, we did it pretty easy. With the shadows on leaf litter, you don't see the bumps. Oh, have I gone the right way? Yeah, we'll get the tyre in that right there, keep me upright, keep me from slipping out. Beautiful. Into the shade. steeper than I was expecting. What do we got? Oh man. Oh. Whoa. That's it, let's go. Oh, nice. Whoa, that's a big one. That's it, we're at the gates. Oh, a few more bumps. Oh, awesome. Now, is this is the spot here, is it? I reckon we have a look at that track. I've looked at that so many times. It's nice and dry today. Let's go have a look. Rode straight past it last week. Yeah, she's usually pretty muddy. I'm not sure how far it goes. She's pretty bloody lumpy though. Pick the lumpiest one. Oh. Fucking hell. All that ground clearance, I still bottom out on those. Maybe if I picked a better line I'd be right. Ooh, we go up over this. What do we got? Big log. Not blocking our track. Oh, cool. Nice. I'm not going to go further. That will do me. Awesome. I should have brought the drone, shouldn't I? Fucking bit of rubbish as usual. Rightio, there's not much more to see. I'm going to sign out here. Oh, far out. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Sorry it's been a while since the last one. I'll try and get them out a bit more regularly, but yeah, sometimes you just got to stop and look after yourself. Been in a lot of pain. You don't really feel like making videos when you're in pain and not feeling well. Hopefully we'll get this bloody back moving again. I'm going to say right. I'm going to have to set my map soon because I'll end up getting lost. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you next time.